Hello friends, myself Ganesh Patil. I am faculty of mathematics and welcome to our YouTube channel Defense Career Academy Aurangabad. Okay, today we are going to discuss the most important topic of geometry, the triangle. Okay, you know very well about the triangle. Okay, in the triangle there are three sides and three angles are there. Then when or how identify or verify the two triangles are congruent. Okay, now today we are going to discuss about the test of congruence of triangles. Okay, and today's point is very important. Then the mostly we are use, okay, the test of congruence of triangle is, suppose first test is ASA test, then SAS test, third one is SSS test, and fourth one is hypotenuse and side test. Okay, then see, we are going to discuss now one by one. The first one is the ASA test. ASA test means angle side angle test. ASA test means angle side and angle test. So what is angle side angle test? Now see here the two triangles. Suppose triangle ABC and then another one triangle is the PQR. Okay. Then angle side angles means the important point here, the side is included both the angles. Means suppose here these two angles means angle B and angle Q having identical marks. This side BC and QR also having identical marks, and angle Q and angle R is also having identical marks. Okay, see, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, ABC and PQR, here angle 1 means angle B, congruent angle Q, then angle side BC, congruent side QR, and angle C, congruent angle R, means ASA test. But the statement of the given test is, suppose angle side angle test. Okay, the corresponding angles in one triangle, the corresponding, suppose the corresponding angles means, suppose in triangle ABC there are B and C, these two angles is congruent to the corresponding angle in another triangle Q and R. Okay, means B and C, angle B and angle C is congruent to corresponding angle Q and R in the another triangle. Also, two triangles and included side means two angles and included side of one triangle is congruent to corresponding two angles and included side of another triangle. Then these two triangles are congruent by ASA test, means angle side angle test. Okay, then now we are going to learn the second one test, and the second one test is SAS test. Second one test is SAS test. Here also two triangles ABC and PQR. Then SAS means two sides and included angle. Two sides means, suppose side AB, side PQ, side BC, side QR, and then angle B and angle Q. Suppose see here, side AB and PQ having identical marks, also side BC and QR having identical marks, and angle B and angle Q having identical marks. That's why, therefore, these two triangles are congruent by SAS test. The statement of the given test is, when two sides and included angle is when two sides and included angle of one triangle is congruent to corresponding two sides and included angle of another triangle, then these two given triangles are congruent by SAS test. Okay. Then now we are going to see the third one test is yes test, means here side test. Side, yes for side test. Suppose we have also two triangles like ABC and PQR. Here AB congruent, corresponding side is, the corresponding side of AB is PQ, and the corresponding side of BC is QR, and the corresponding side of AC is PR. Means the corresponding sides having identical marks, and this is congruent as well as equal in length. Suppose side AB and PQ both having identical marks and it's equal, then BC and QR also equal, and AC PR also equal. Then yes test means the statement of, suppose the three sides of one triangle is congruent to corresponding three sides of another triangle, then these two triangles are congruent to each other by yes test. Okay. And next one is the most important test of congruence of triangle is hypotenuse side test. Now see, what is hypotenuse side test? The first sentence, hypotenuse side test, means hypotenuse side test we just used in the right angle triangles. That's why I am drawing here two right angles, suppose ABC and PQR. See here, hypotenuse exists just in the right angle triangle. And what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse means opposite side of 90-degree angle. Then here in the first triangle the hypotenuse is AC, and in the second triangle hypotenuse is PR. But hypotenuse is also the side of triangle. Hypotenuse is also the side of triangle. Then hypotenuse side test means, suppose you know now you are understanding hypotenuse and side, means one hypotenuse is equal to another one, and one side means you can take from these two sides you can take one side, means suppose AB, or you can take also BC or QR. The statement of the given theorem is, suppose in two right angle triangles the side and hypotenuse is congruent to corresponding sides and hypotenuse of other triangle, then these two right angle triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side test. And these four tests are very important. So what is this four tests? The first test is ASA test, second is SAS test, third one is yes test, and fourth one is hypotenuse and side test. ASA test means ASA test means angle side angle test. If the two angles and included side of one triangle is congruent to corresponding another two angles and included side of another triangle, then these two triangles are congruent by angle side angle test. Then side angle side test is also same. Here only two sides and their included angle, and yes test means side means three sides of first triangle is congruent to corresponding three sides of second triangle. Then the test is side test of congruency, and then next one is the hypotenuse, last one is the hypotenuse side test. And hypotenuse side test we just used in the right angle triangle, so you know very well about the hypotenuse of right angle triangle. The hypotenuse are congruent and one side is also congruent, corresponding sides are also congruent and hypotenuse are also congruent, then the given test is the hypotenuse side test. Okay, so some examples on test of congruence of triangle we will see in